नमस्कार. पोया प्रुडंट खबरो. युती पक्षांच्या इश्यूचेर राज्यपालाच्या अभिभाषणात जापो. दत्तप्रसाद लवंदे नवो एजी. परिकार सरकाराची पहिली मंत्रिमंडळ बसका. एसटी नाटकणीक म्हादय केशीत परत मान्यताय. हावे वाट लावना. वाट लावपी विश्वजीत घातकी विजय. काँग्रेसीचो आमदार प्रदेशाध्यक्ष लुईजीन उलयलो. विजय म्हणटा काँग्रेसीक आपले आमदार राखूंक जमना. युतीचे सरकार कशे चलयतले. गोयच्या परिकार सरकाराचो इश्यू काँग्रेसीन संसदेत तापयलो. संसदेचे कामकाज धरलेर आडावन संविधानाक पाळ दिलो ना म्हणून राज्यपालाच्या भूमिकेचेर बोवाळ. काणकोणा आयरिश बायलेच्या बलात्कार खुनाच्या केशीत पुलीस एकठांय करतात पुरावे. आरोपीचे डीएनए सॅम्पल हैदराबाद प्रयोगशाळेत. पुलिसांक मेळ्ळी सीसीटीव्ही फुटेज. गोंयकारांनी काँग्रेसीच्या तोंडामेरेन व्हेल्ली उंडी. दिल्लीच्या काँग्रेस फुडाऱ्यांनी घाली बीजेपीच्या तोंडात. विजयाचो दोश ना. दिगंबराचो दिग्विजयाचेर फोग. काँग्रेस सोडचो ना. दिगंबरान केलें स्पश्ट. आणि युबीए प्रो बास्केटबॉल लिगाच्या चौथ्या सिजनात मुंबई चॅलेंजर्स वस्तात. बेंगळुरू बीस्ट उपवस्तात. युतीचे आमदार मंत्र्यांनी काडिल्ल्या इश्यूंचेर जाप राज्यपालाच्या अभिभाषणात मेळटली म्हणून मुख्यमंत्री पर्रीकार उलयला. शुक्रारा नव्या सरकाराची पहिली मंत्रिमंडळ बसका जाली. म्हादय आणि हायवे कडेच्या लिकर आउटलेटांक साल्वार करपा खातीर सरकार योग्य पावलां उखलतलो म्हणून पर्रीकारान सांगलां. दत्तप्रसाद लवंदे नवो ॲडव्होकेट जनरल. इतले मजगतीं एसटी आत्माराम नाटकर्णीची म्हादय केशीत गोंयचो आदवोगाद म्हणून फेरनेमणूक जाली. केंद्रान ताका घेतिल्ली हरकत फाटीं घेतली.
आयज पहिली कॅबिनेट मिटींग आशिल्ली. खूब गजाली नाशिल्ल्यो पण एक म्हत्वाचो विशय आशिल्लो म्हणजे गव्हर्नराची स्पीच. तुम्ही अनेकदां म्हाका प्रश्न विचारतात जे काही प्रश्न गोवा फॉरवर्डान काडलेले आसात, काही महाराष्ट्रवादी गोमंतक पार्टीन काडलेले आसात, काही इंडिपेंडंटांनी रेज केले आसात आपले मॅनिफेस्टोन. ह्या चडशा हाका जो कॉमन एजेंडा जो आमी आसा ती दिशा तुमकां गव्हर्नरच्या स्पिचान पॉलिटिकल डायरेक्शन आणि पॉलिसी डायरेक्शनच्या संदर्भात ब्रॉडली मेळटली. त्यामुळे गव्हर्नरच्या स्पीच जे कॉन्फिडेन्शियल आसता ताजी वाट पळोवची पडटली, जे 23 तारखेक आसतलें. आयज आमी ताजेर चर्चा करून काही मुद्दे काडून तें गव्हर्नराचें स्पीच आमी एप्रूव केलें. दुसरो विशय आशिल्लो म्हणजे गोंयचे ॲडव्होकेट जनरल सुरेश लोटलीकर तांच्यांनी राजिनामो दिल्लो आसा आपलो. आनी ते एडिशनल ॲडव्होकेट जनरल जे आसा दत्तप्रसाद लवंदे तांकांच ॲडव्होकेट जनरल करप. कारण सगळे मॅटर ग्रीन ट्रिब्युनल आसत, म्हादय आसत किंवा हायकोर्टान आसत, चडशे मॅटर तेच हँडल करताले गेले अनेक दीस. त्यामुळे सरकाराक एक ब्रिफींग परत ॲडव्होकेट जनरल दिवपाची आवश्यकता पडची ना. त्यामुळे तांची नियुक्ती करपाचोय कॅबिनेट डिसिजन आयज मंजूर जाल्लो आहा. काल हांवें 4 मिटिंगो कंडक्ट केल्यो. एक तातूंत म्हादयच्या संदर्भातली आसा. त्यामुळे सोमार पर्यंत वाट पळयात. तुमकां ताजेर ऑटोमॅटीक कळटलें कितें करता तें. पण म्हादय हो विशय आमकां अत्यंत इम्पॉर्टंट विषय असल्यामुळे ताका योग्य त्या प्रकारे हँडल जातलो. आता कशा प्रकारे हँडल जातलो ह्या स्पेक्युलेशनान हांव वचना. सॉरी, आय टोल्ड यू व्हेरी क्लियरली. तुमकां सोमार पर्यंत लक्षात येतलें कितें करता तें. हांव कसो म्हजी स्ट्रॅटजी आसतली तुका सांगून कितें रस्त्यार घालून. So you have to, sometimes strategies are kept in confidential so that they are successful. Liquor ban on the highways, त्याय संदर्भात सोल्युशन काडपाच्या दिशेन म्हाका सोल्युशन कृपा करून विचारूं नाका. हांव ताचेर उत्तर दिवचो ना. सोल्युशन काडपाच्या दृश्टीन आमी लिगल सगळें एग्जामिनेशन करतात. ताजेरूय विशय फुडें व्हरतले आनी ताका येणाऱ्या कांय दिसां भितर उत्तर मेळटलें. तिसरो विशय जो आतां हँडल जातलो तो हांगा ट्रॅफिकाचो जो प्रॉब्लेम येता पर्वरीच्या हाका रस्त्याक बिकॉज ऑफ द कन्स्ट्रक्शन ऑफ द ब्रीज, त्या संदर्भात डिस्कशन आता ट्रॅफिकाक आपयलें आमी. वी आर वर्किंग आउट सम मेकॅनिझम बाय एन अरेंजमेंट बाय वीच इट विल बी स्मुथर. तुका कॅसिनो खूब लागलेले आसा. तुमची कॅसिनोची चिंता येणाऱ्या काही म्हयन्या भितर परमनंटूच काबार जातली. आनीक तुका हांव उत्तर दिना.
इतले मजगती ASG आत्माराम नाडकर्णी हांची मादय खातीर गोंयचो आदवोगाद म्हूण फेर नेमणूक जाली. केंद्रान तांकां घेतिल्ली हरकत फाटीं घेतली. नाडकर्णी एडिशनल सॉलिसिटर जनरल आशिल्ल्यान तो गोंयाक म्हादयच्या केशीन उबो रावंक शकना म्हूण कर्नाटकान हरकत घेतल्या उपरांत केंद्र सरकारान तांची म्हादय केशीक गोंयचो आदवोगाद जावंक दिल्ली मान्यताय फाटीं घेतिल्ली. आतां ही हरकत फाटीं घेतिल्ल्यान नाडकर्णी म्हादयचे केशीक गोंया वटेन उबे रावंक शकतले.
म्हाका एज एडिशनल सॉलिसिटर जनरल अपियर जातलो जाल्यार भारत सरकारचें परमिशन लागता. बिकॉज Madai dispute is a dispute between two states where Union of India is also a formal party. So therefore being ASG of the Union of India I required permission. The permission म्हाका law minister दिल्ले पयलीं. Suddenly with the approval of the law minister that permission came to be withdrawn. So the then Chief Minister Goa had written to the Prime Minister. Plus after Mr. Manohar Parrikar was sworn in as the Chief Minister, he took up the issue. And today morning I have received the permission. Okay. So earlier Mr. Lakshmikant Parsekar as the former Chief Minister had written to the PMO and Mr. Parrikar took it up. So that is how today with their efforts I have got the permission back to appear. So on 21st March I will be appearing for the state of Goa.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
हांवें कसलीच वाट लायिल्ली ना. हांवें काँग्रेस पार्टी खातीर त्याग केला. नावेलीचो आमदार आनी काँग्रेसीचो अध्यक्ष लुईझीन मिडिया कडेन उलयलो. कोणें विश्वासघात केला जाल्यार तो विजयान म्हणून लुईझीनान विजयाचेर फोग काडलो. विजय म्हणटा काँग्रेस आपल्या आमदारांक धड 24 वरां एकठांय सांबाळपाक शकली ना. युतीचें सरकार कितें चलयतली काय म्हणून ताणें काँग्रेसीक तोमणो मारलो.
Here there is a blame game and there is some misunderstanding. At least Luizin Falero did not take action. See, my job as a president of the party to work for the party organization. After the elections, it is the legislature party who is supreme. And I can tell you, whatever reason there was a delay because they were waiting. It was a waiting game. It's somehow the public outrage is that Congress did not take action. Now, the cat is out of the bag. Mr. Digvijay, who had an interview the other day, openly said it is not correct. We didn't approach Goa forward. We approached, we were there on 11th night, on 12th night. Our Congress Vice President, because today he is the topmost leader, had already spoken to the Goa forward. And we were expecting them to come. Their only condition was Luizin Falero, and Luizin Falero is not the one. I have sacrificed all along my life for the party. This is not the first time. You must be knowing earlier times also. I formed the government and made Rane the Chief Minister. And there is nothing for me. For me, the greatest satisfaction is I brought this organization, I toil hard, I work hard. 2 years were torturous years in my entire political life. And the greatest satisfaction I am having is the faith I had in the people of Goa and faith in the organization. And I can't have more reward than this. To be Chief Minister is not my reward. On that Prudent, Vijay Sardesai said, the best Chief Minister is Parrikar and I'll support him. This was 3 days before the counting. Parrikar said in the interview, which is seen all over the country and all over the world, I did not go to the Goa forward. Goa forward came to me. Vijay Sardesai came to me 3 days before the elections and pledge his total support to be the chief minister. So there was a pre-poll alliance. They had already pledged their support to the BJP. Why blame poor me?
I have been at the receiving end from many corners of Goa, even from my supporters. Sometimes even people have had reservations even within my family, my party. So people close to me also have had reservations for the type of political decision that I took to bring Manohar Parrikar back as Chief Minister of Goa. Now those people must have expected me that I should have supported a Congress government. I said that I supported Manohar Parrikar, 1, for stability, 2, for central support, 3, for taking forward our cause of Goenkarpad. And we called this government, and we will slowly call this government a Goenkarwadi Sarkar. Once decisions are taken in for the benefit of Goenkar and Goenkarpad. Now, the Congress, was it to get my support, could have formed the government. But the Congress party has proven that they couldn't hold their flock together for 24 hours after the confidence vote. So what about giving stability for 5 years? It is that stability is a mirage, it is a dream, it will never come true. The Congress was not in a position to give stability. This has been proven, and my stand of supporting the Manohar Parrikar led BJP government has been vindicated by the actions of the Congress party, even of its allies. One ally has voted on the floor of the house for the BJP. So where would you have given stability? You would have, governments would have fallen every week, and the government would have gone into president's rule. We would have been ruled from Delhi. At least we have a Goenkar like Manohar Parrikar ruling here, and nobody has to be scared about this. कोणेच भिवपाची गरज ना. आमी आहात, आमी गोंयकार, आनी तोय गोंयकार.
घेऊया एक ब्रेक.